today's video, I'm going to be showing this crochet style. I'm using 2 colors. This is 1B27. I have 4 packs of this, and this one is 1B30. I have 2 packs of this. Altogether, I'm using 6 packs. I want the hair to look like braids that are pulled up, so I have gone ahead to make the cornrows around the perimeter for everything to go up, and I just rebraided the ends, and this we are going to crochet in. That way when she pulls it up, it has the appearance of single braids. I'm going to start by moisturizing her scalp with the olive oil, scalp oil, and we're going to finish this off using Shine and Jam mousse, and then we're going to spray with braid spray. You also need a crochet hook for this hair. Any crochet hook of your choice will do. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it, and this should be done in no time at all. If today's your first time joining us, don't forget to
like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you. In all, I use 8 packs. You can definitely get away with 7 packs. I didn't want a lot of gaps showing because she's going to have this hair half up all the way. So I wanted the whole thing filled so that even if she does side part or middle part, then that way the hair is covered all through. And then she can do a half up for the back as well. So I ended up just filling it. So that way, if she has a half up this way, then there's still a lot of hair there at the back. So I didn't want gaps showing there. So I'm going to finish this off with some mousse. See, this hair is very versatile. I'm just doing a half updo. And so because it's filled properly, you see you have enough braids there with no fear of gap or anything when it's windy. So to do a half updo, I'm using this beautiful scrunchie. Pretty much I'll just put it in a ponytail like so, and then you put it a second time and just pull through. Okay, second time you pull through, and then you can decide to leave it halfway or pull everything all through. And then I'll just make sure the design is up here. And so we have it. We're done with this crochet twist braid. As you can see, when she turns from side to side, it looks like she has braids. And because we filled it properly, we don't have any gaps showing. So we use 8 packs. Of course, you can get away with 7 packs or less, but it's not going to be as versatile as when it's really full. Oh, what do you think about the hair?
It's really light and I like the mix of colors.
All right, until next time when we bring you another exciting episode.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.